Hey guys, one thing I noticed on this job with the cooktop that was purchased, the 36 incher, we're probably going to have to drop down to a 30 inch. 30 inch inside the cabinet's 28 and a quarter. If it's a 36, it's 34 and 3/8. So we would need to add another 4 inches to this cabinet for that cooktop to work. But right now, from the front of this cabinet to here, we only have about, if the countertop ends there, 32 and a half. So we're going to be down to 28 inch range, which is way too narrow. And I've already got the smallest blind corner unit that we can get in here. So I can't make this any smaller unless we abandon this blind corner unit, and then we can make this cabinet bigger. But we can't go to the right any further for the walkway space. And right now, her current countertop width is 78, so if we add an inch and a half to that, we'll be on par with what she's currently got.